Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning in to this YouTube tutorial. Today I'm gonna make a birthday card for my friend Tom. So as you can see, I've just taken the I've already searched some beans, and I put them into a folder of beans. And I also have a folder of my friend Tom, of pictures I have of him. So I think I'm going to make him birthday card with pictures of him, with him on a bean or something like that. Anyway, so what you want to do is you want to start Photoshop up, and then you want to make an A4 document. So you do that by going to File and New. Once that loads, so I'm going to make him an A4 card. Okay, so if I just you go to File and then Place Embedded, you can place the beans. So I'm just gonna go and place the beans in like this, and then you can resize the beans to fit like so. I'm just gonna use the magic wand tool. The shortcut is W to remove the background of that. Oh, this is a smart object, so I'm gonna have to rasterize that layer. Okay. So I took the liberty of downloading the Heinz font, so I should have that. What I want to do is change the font of the Heinz baked bean to say Happy Birthday. Happy Birthday. So if I just search for Heinz, there we go, we've got it. There we go, it looks great, huh? Okay. So what I'm gonna do right now is just do a time lapse of me working on this, and then I'll get back to you. Hey guys, so I'm back. I've done the typography now, and I think I'm gonna spice it up a bit and add a couple of beans by it as well. So I'm gonna place. I've got a pile of beans in my beans folder, and I'm just gonna place them down here like so. I'm gonna use the magic wand tool, which is W. And I'm just gonna delete that background. Oh, as you can see here, it's just smart objects. So I'm just gonna go on and rasterize that layer. I now should be able to delete that, as you can see. Okay. I'm gonna add a little bit of a drop shadow onto it. Okay, next I'm gonna add a single bean, and I'm gonna put Tom's face on it. yeah. So if I can just find, I've already taken the liberty of cutting out a picture of a single bean, like this, and I just need to get the scale of it right. I need to make these beans darker here to match up with this other bean here. So I'm going to go to Image, Adjustments, and Brightness Contrast. I'm just going to bring that brightness down to match. Maybe lift the contrast a little bit, just like that. That looks great. So this is where the picture of Tom comes in. So if I just go in, if I go to my pictures of Tom, here, and if I go through, I think think this one might work. So what I'm gonna do is gonna bring this layer to the top, gonna zoom in, and I'm just gonna crop around his head like so with the pen tool. I'm gonna duplicate that layer. This can go, and I'm just gonna pop him on a bean like this. Now, I'm just going to cycle through the filter modes to find one that I think matches. Let's go with this for now, hard light. And then I'm just going to use an eraser with a soft brush. And I'm just going to blend this into the bean. Excuse me. Like so. And there you have a Tom bean. There we go. And that's a little Easter egg for those eagle-eyed viewers. I could put a different colored background. Let's see what that looks like. Wow, that's quite cool. Let's go for a darker blue here. Make this a lighter blue. Like so. And then, if we add a gradient, oh, I like that quite a lot. I like that quite a lot. And what I'm going to do is just go in with the pen tool and just clean this up a bit. It's this kind of attention to detail and craft that really gets you the Cannes Lion. Lovely. You know what? I think I'm gonna leave that there. So, thank you so much for tuning in, guys. I really hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. I really appreciate all the support. Thank you so much, guys. Over and out.